This is a review of the household driveway alarm model HA-434RTL. I'll go over the features first and then we'll discuss what the pros and the cons are. The alarm detects people and vehicles. It has a 800 feet radio range. It has a 40 feet motion detection area. When movement is detected, you will get notified by a sound and a flashing LED. You have two sound choices, a siren or a beeping alert. The alarm also features three modes. The alert mode, which does not have a beep. The alarm mode, this will sound the alarm in order to scare the intruders. And a off mode, which only uses the LEDs. The alarm is expandable. You can monitor up to 4 zones. It has a low battery alert, so if your battery is running low, you will get a notification, and it comes with a 1-year warranty. There are a couple of things I like about this alarm. It has a longer motion detection area range than other alarms in this price range. It has a low battery alert, it's easy to install, and it also comes with 3 different modes: alert, alarm, and off mode. The sensor is inconsistent and it does not always detect movement. The alarm is shipped faulty in many cases. The transmission range is shorter than advertised. The household driveway alarm system has a longer motion detection area than other alarms in this price range. However, it falls short in terms of detecting capabilities. The sensor is cheaply made and unreliable. It goes off randomly, or it simply does not detect people and vehicles. My suggestion is to either purchase the Guardline GL2000 or the Dakota 2500.